Okay. You think you're clever. You think you're clever, right? You think you're clever. So we're gonna have an equal, fair discussion. I will answer your questions, and you will answer my questions. If you don't answer my questions, I'm not going to let you escape, because you can't ask questions and not answer questions, right? So now my question to you is, why sleeping with one's mother is wrong? You gave a wishy-washy crap answer because you're not educated. I know you're not educated. You don't know philosophy. You don't know the philosophy of science. You haven't even studied science. Anyone trying to use science for moral values or morality doesn't know science. Doesn't know what science is. You've lost the debate already. But now that, because you think you are a smart guy, I'll let you have the opportunity again to answer the question. Why sleeping with one's mother is wrong? We the Muslims have an answer. You don't have an answer.
The answer 3 times.
Is wrong.
We answered it, and you.
No, you didn't answer. Why? I'm asking why. Why? You're saying science. Science doesn't help you. Science doesn't say this is right or wrong. Science says what is. Science doesn't say why it is. Science doesn't say why it is. Okay? Science says what is.
We answered it 3 times. That science helps us.
Stop wasting time. You got
2 minutes. You got 2 minutes, yeah?
When we say that, you said me that you have a better position, that Islam is more superior.
I never said that. Although,
You got 2 minutes.
yeah, sorry, 2 minutes. I'm not going to interrupt you. Guys, he's answering. Can you stop him? He's answering.
At that point, I asked you a second question. That is, if that is the case, what lets you marry
1
your
minute, 30
child
seconds.
in Islam? And you just made a statement that that is false in Islam. That's what you said. So why? We have the verses in Quran itself which says, and even in
Say
other,
what?
in other fiqh,
1 minute, 20
that
seconds.
you can marry your own child if that girl is born out of wedlock. Why you can do that in Islam?
Brilliant. Brilliant. No problem, no problem. That's his time. Now my 2 minutes. My 2 minutes without interruption. First of all, he did not give an answer why sleeping with one's mother is wrong. He keeps saying science says that. Science doesn't say anything about sleeping with one's mother. Science has nothing to say with sleeping with one's mother. Science simply says if you sleep with a human being, another human being, this will happen. That will happen.
So why
Wait. It doesn't. I didn't interrupt you.
Oh, sorry.
It doesn't say why it's wrong or why it's right. It doesn't say that. So science is not his defense. He has no answer. The conclusion is he has no answer. Second point he raised. Your Quran says you can sleep with your child. If the your Quran. Wait. You when you marry you sleep. Do you have a wife?
No, the
Do you have a
word
wife?
Islam is marriage.
Do you have a wife? Do you
word
sleep with her?
Islam- word
Do you sleep with
Islam is
her?
marriage.
Okay, clearly you sleep with your wife, right? If you're married. So he claimed the Quran says you can marry your child, right? I want him to now, if you are fair, everyone listening, I want him to pull out the ayah from the Quran, the verse where it says you can marry your child. If he does not pull that out, then know that this guy is not only a lame Zionist, a lame BJP apologist, he's a liar also, like the BJP propagandists and all the Zionist scumbags. He's a liar. He's a liar who's lying upon our faith because they can do nothing but lie. And today is his exposure day. All the Muslims of India, spread this. This is janaza for this guy who claims things online, and when he's faced with challenges, he has nothing. He's going to pull out the ayah from the Quran now and time up.
1 second, you don't run away.
No, it's time.
May time up. It's your time.
I'm taking the words. Wait
Yeah.
a second.
Start his time. 2 minutes.
No, just
Let's see what
When you make a claim, you should have the verse on your fingertips. You should know the verse.
he has to look at his notes. Forget.
Start his time.
It started already, yeah, your time. 1 minute.
No. It's not.
Left.
Let me take the words, then you can start the time. Okay.
Now I knew I didn't want to debate. He doesn't. Like,
This is why these people don't want to debate. They know when faced with Muslims who study their faith,
1 minute,
they
10
have
seconds left.
nothing but embarrassment. He doesn't even know science, he doesn't know philosophy, he doesn't know why he's ex-Muslim, he doesn't even know anything about Islam because he claimed the Quran says you can marry your child. I want that verse. The Quran saying you can marry your child. I want that verse now. now.
30 seconds left.
Or apologize to all the Indian Muslims. All the Indian Muslims in India, you have been demonizing and dehumanizing. Apologize to them. Say, I'm sorry. Oh Muslims, I'm a fool, I'm an idiot, I'm a Zionist, that's why I'm an idiot. I'm sorry.
Okay, your time is up.
Yeah.
Adnan, your time now.
It's my time.
It's your time now.
It's
Your
my
is
time.
up. You have to.
Now my time. Clearly, ladies and
Like a
gentlemen,
Muslim, memorize it.
ladies and gentlemen, there is no verse in the Quran that says you can marry your child.
ChatGPT now.
No, guys, are you here to help me or are you here to cause problems? I hope he's not paying you.
Okay, don't help him. Let him find it.
If
Adnan,
you,
it's your time, Adnan.
if you make noise, you're helping him.
Adnan, it's your time.
Yeah.
So ask him
So,
another question.
ladies and gentlemen, he does not have this verse because this verse does not exist. We know the Quran. It's not there. These are liars. When they say they're ex-Muslim, they want money from the BJP government, they want money from the Zionists, and they want visits, tours to Israel so that they can be given platform to talk to ignorant fools, right? Now we are talking. Now we are talking. Show me the verse or you will apologize like a gentleman if you want. You're a kafir, and not every kafir is fully evil, okay? There are kuffar who have principles. I hope you are one of those kuffar who has principles. Now my question is, if a person you cannot prove can sleep with his mother, then why would we follow what you are following? Why would we follow when you have no moral values to offer? When you have nothing to offer in return? You're saying you're ex-Muslim, I'm a kafir, I'm a proud Zionist, I'm a proud BJP, you're proud everything, but you're but proud Muslim. But proud Muslim. So now you want Muslims to follow your kufr because you're kuffar. At least offer something in return. Say, yeah, we have a moral standard, follow us. In our standard, it is haram to sleep with your mother.
1 more minute left.
Okay? But in your standard, it's not haram to sleep with your mother. Because you are atheists, agnostics, right? You have no objective moral values. No, I'm not talking to you. I'm not debating you. I'm not debating you. You have no objective values. He's gonna be looking for the verse all day. Okay.
No, I'm telling the time. 30 seconds more.
I want you to give us a moral standard that we can use to live a happy life. We are Muslims. We are claiming we have a moral standard. We are living happy lives. We have discipline. We have education. We have great CEOs, doctors, scientists, philosophers, kings, sultans. We have all sorts of people. Okay. You, on the other hand, what do you have to offer? What do you have to offer?
Okay, your time's
I
up.
want to know why sleeping with one's mother is wrong.
Yeah, it's your
Or
time.
why
Why, you're still looking for it? Do you need help?
No, I will take it.
It's your time now.
wait. It's his time now.
Wait a second.
So this is how you're going to debate, yeah? Online as well. Going to look on ChatGPT and stuff like that. Like a kid.
He hates ChatGPT. He hates ChatGPT.
I want all Indian Muslims. I want all Indian Muslims to spread this around India and expose these people, because Zionism makes you so evil that you become a liar and you become completely mindless. This guy standing here in front of multiple cameras made a claim the Quran tells Muslims to marry their own children. I want the ayah. I want the verse right now. Or you apologize.
You got 1 more minute left.
I got it.
You got 1 more
He
minute.
got it. He got something. He's not sure.
Ask the IT team in India. Help support.
Ask Tel Aviv. Tel Aviv.
Sir, I'm Peter. Help me. All right, come on, quick, guys. Come on.
No, ask Tel Aviv.
They came all the way India for this, like a failed mission. For me, it is very clear.
Guys,
These guys,
there is
they
a
ask
reason.
questions, but
There's
they
a
don't have
reason.
answers.
There's a reason why you only make noise online.
Yeah.
When faced with a Muslim
Face
who
to
knows
face.
his faith, you have nothing. You have nothing. You have nothing. You have nothing but embarrassment, like you are being embarrassed right now.
30 seconds more.
You have nothing.
Wait, we've been waiting for 5 minutes now. 30 seconds more. Then you ask again. Yeah, Mansur? No? Right.
Let him find the verse from the Quran where it says Muslims can sleep with their children, their daughters. He is looking for the verse. He made this claim. Hold on. You know these people. This is not a joke. I want everyone to listen. This is not a joke. These people These evil people, Zionists and BJP apologists, they make these claims online to hundreds of millions of Indians. And they make these people hate Muslims. These people cause all gullible Indian masses to hate Muslims because of the lies. But when we confront them, when we challenge them, there is nothing. So I am appealing to the Indian people, the Indian masses. Don't believe these liars. My time is already up.
No, ask another question. No problem.
He's not answering.
So-
He's busy looking for the ayah.
Maybe ask him about why suppose
okay.
Zionists
Now, I'm gonna-
who commits genocide,
Okay.
We have to go home, man.
which is worse than anything.
Next point now I'm going to make in my time. He doesn't have the ayah. He's pretending that he has something. I know there is no ayah. I know there is no verse in the Quran. Now that is clear, does he have the shame? And I know he doesn't. Hashim. He doesn't have the shame to apologize. He will not, because he's a Zionist. Zionists are some of the most evil people on the planet Earth. They are child killers. People who sympathize with them and agree with them are apologists for child killing. Zionists are liars. So is he. His teachers are Zionists. That's why he cannot find that verse in the Quran that he claimed is there. Now, why is he like this? Why is he like this? He's like this. Okay, he's gonna now listen to voice notes. No, brother, you're gonna be famous tonight in India, inshallah. You're gonna be famous.
So you post this without cutting, yeah?
You are
Don't
literally a
chop it
You're
up.
gonna be famous tonight. No, you're gonna be famous.
Don't chop it up.
Don't worry. We will get
All the Muslims in India,
On Thursday, on the-
all the Muslims in India, every time you see this guy, ask him for the ayah, ask him for the verse. Do not leave him alone until he apologizes to all the Muslims of India for causing hatred against them. Because people like him are being paid by the Zionists from Israel to spread hatred against Muslims in India. The BJP and the Zionists work together to hate Muslims and spread hatred against Muslims in India. You, the Indian Muslims, be proud of your faith and don't be intimidated by individuals like this. Always challenge them. Bhagjo, ab bhago.
Adnan, why do the Zionists eat Gai Mata? Why do they eat Gai Mata?
They don't care. Gau Mata.
They eat the cow, which is sacred to BJP.
Adnan, what
Why
he
do they
just
eat
said
cows?
is... Adnan, what he just said
There's
is...
no ayah. There's no ayah, yeah? There's no verse.
Why are you running away?
There is no verse.
Are you going to run away?
Find it. Find it.
After all
I'll wait.
that,
I will wait.
Adnan,
once this video is out.
Wait. Even AI is not helping you.
Once this
Even AI is not helping you.
I'm Roman and my internet is down.
What's your
That's the
name?
only problem.
What's your name?
You don't know my name.
No, I don't know. What's his name?
No problem.
What's his name?
Once I upload
He
this
said
video,
Arif earlier.
you can watch. I told you this
Arif. Arif.
Arif Hussain.
all the information and all the evidence will be there online.
No,
so
no,
you're
no.
going to cut up the videos, and then you're going to go there.
That's what he just said.
No.
He said-
Right here. Right here. Look at.
Your excuse the internet. I'll give you internet. How about that?
No, we have internet.
I'll give you
Here,
internet.
my phone. My
I'll give you
phone.
internet.
We can give you
So
half
no
an hour.
excuses now.
On screen.
My phone.
We are not going to watch your channel.
On screen it will be there.
Internet. No problem.
Take half an hour break and find the ayah, then come back.
His friend is telling him, भाग, निकल. वो बोल रहा है उसको निकल भाई, भाग, भैया निकल यहाँ से, भैया निकल.
He's going to cut it. He's going to give you an explanation
नहीं,
in the
नहीं.
video later on.
That's how he's doing it.
We're going to give you half an hour.
Next time, ex-Muslims
Find the ayah,
self-imposed
come back
kafir,
here right
do
now.
not make challenges you can't keep. He challenged Adnan that he's going to ask this question, and then he has no answer, no evidence.
So
All he has to do is like the normal haters,
नहीं
make claim and run away.
अभी मैं हिंदी में बोलूंगा सारे इंडियन मुस्लिम्स के लिए कि ये बंदा जो अपने आप को जो बंदा अपने आप को काफिर कहता है और मुसलमानों के खिलाफ नफरत फैलाता है झूठ बोल के कि कुरान में आयत है जो बोलती है जो कहती है कि आप अपनी बच्चियों के साथ शादी कर सकते हैं। मैंने इसको बोला आयत निकालो कुरान से और आयत नहीं निकल रही इससे। ये पिछले 10 मिनट से आयत ढूंढ रहा है कुरान की, इसको मिल नहीं रही, तो इसने झूठ क्यों बोला? हम इसको बोल रहे हैं माफी मांगो मुसलमानों से, क्योंकि तुम मासूम लोगों को झूठ बोल के उनके दिलों में मुसलमानों के लिए नफरत डालते हो। ये बोल रहा था कि मैं प्राउड ज़ायनिस्ट हूँ, मैं प्राउड बीजेपी हूँ। ये लोग मिलके काम करते हैं ज़ायनिस्ट के साथ ताकि मुसलमानों के खिलाफ इंडिया में नफरत फैलाई जाए। मैं इसको बोल रहा हूँ कि मुसलमानों से माफी मांगो और ये झूठा इंसान ये झूठा इंसान जिसने झूठ बोला इतने, इसको असल में इससे पहले इसको ऐसा चैलेंज मिला नहीं, इससे पहले इसको ऐसा चैलेंज मिला नहीं। आज इसने गलती की, स्पीकर्स कॉर्नर लंदन आ गया। ये समझ रहा था मैं यहाँ के अपने झूठ बोलूंगा, मैं बकवास करूंगा और मुझे कोई चैलेंज नहीं करेगा। हाँ हाँ हाँ, अब क्या अभी ये बंदा यहाँ पर ये he came to speak his corner to tell people he's an ex-Muslim, and when we confronted him, Allah exposed him. He has a hat saying I'm a kafir. He said I'm a proud Zionist, I'm a proud BJP, and he's a coward. So clearly he is going by an agenda. He wants to spread hatred against Muslims in India. He's being paid by the Zionists. He's being paid by the Zionists to spread this hatred. Now he's not going to put this out. You will not put this out. I don't think you will put this out. But our cameras, I'm appealing to Indian Muslims. Do not be intimidated by these liars, these genocide apologists, because they have nothing but lies. He said today in front of multiple cameras, there is a verse in the Quran that teaches Muslims to marry their own daughters. We gave him 10 minutes, 15 minutes to look for the verse, and it's not there. Because it's not there. It doesn't exist. So are you apologizing? No, are you apologizing?
Let me complete.
Yes.
I'm not apologizing.
He's not apologizing.
Will be online.
No, right now we are here to. No, don't swear.
I need to speak. Okay.
No, I'll tell you why. He's gonna go online. He's gonna lie again. Muslims are here to respond. Bring it on.
All evidence will be there.
No hatred, no violence, no intimidation. He is free. He's safe. There is no threat against him.
Counter that with his evidence if he has. So I will upload this video without cutting any portion, and you will find the evidence online. And you are welcome.
A verse from the Quran.
Yes.
You're gonna post? No, I'm not shaking a Zionist hand.
That's it.
Okay, wait.
So-
I'm not. Wait. You're gonna post. Wait, hold on. You're gonna post a verse from the Quran. That says Muslims can marry their daughters.
Yes, I will.
You're gonna. And if it's not there,
I will apologize.
a verse from the
I will
Quran.
apologize.
A verse from the Quran.
Yes.
Okay,
I
he
will
will apologize.
That's it. Okay.
By the way, are you here next Sunday?
No, I will apologize.
Are you here next Sunday?
No? I will go next week, next Tuesday. Sorry, this Tuesday.
This Tuesday, no problem.
So that's it. So every evidence will be there online, and he can come there. If he has,
I have a
any
separate
counter
question.
evidence, he can counter that.
I have a separate
So
question.
evidence will be
Why don't you bring the
presented in
evidence?
detail
Yeah.
in both
On
languages,
Thursday?
in
Chalo,
English
no
and
problem.
in Malayalam.
He doesn't.
Okay.
He's gonna. Let him. He's free to. He's free. I have a separate question. Clearly, he's using this. He's using this as a point. He's using this as a point.
I
He's
made a
saying.
point. I
He's
will show
saying
the point.
Muslims.
And if I
He's saying.
failing, I will apologize. That's
He's
what I
saying
said.
Muslims.
I will show that.
Okay.
You can take this as a word. Okay, I will show the word.
Wait. You're saying Muslims are taught in the Quran to marry the daughters, and it's wrong. It's wrong. You're clearly saying it's wrong. Hello.
Wait for the evidence on it.
Yeah, no
Okay,
problem.
why are you afraid?
But
Just wait for the video.
no problem. You can post what you like.
That's
My
it.
question is,
If
you're
I'm not
clearly
able,
saying
I will apologize online. I will send you a copy. You can.
no, don't.
On your side.
You're clearly saying it's wrong. Wait. You're clearly saying it's wrong.
Okay.
You're clearly wait. Hashim. You're clearly saying it's wrong. You're sleeping with, marrying your own daughter is wrong. I agree with you. Wait. Yes, marrying. No problem. That's a separate question. It's a separate question. You're saying marrying one's daughter is wrong. I agree with you. I know why it's wrong. Why is it wrong to you? Why is it wrong to you? I want to know why is it wrong to you?
He's saying he's going to prepare a
My
video
channel is.
to answer. That's what he's saying.
You are a joke.
He won't answer face to face. He'll prepare a video.
I want him to answer.
You have to make a video. You are a joke. Yeah.
Yes, he is a joker. Clearly, he's a joker. I'm asking a question. Why? We the Muslims know why marrying our daughters is wrong. We know it's haram. It's not allowed in Islam. Why is it wrong to you? I want to know.
This answer is not.
This answer?
Another point. That's not my question.
Why is it wrong?
This question
To you,
which
to you.
we are facing right now is the evidence for what I said and whatever things that he was lying to you all, to the Muslims, that there's nothing like that in the Quran. I will debunk that online. You can watch the video when I'm back home.
No.
Okay?
You come face to face on
Are
Dawah.
you ready for that? And if I'm not able to do that, I will apologize online. I will send you the video.
I believe you're all.
You can trust me. You can trust me. Okay. I know you won't shake hands.
I don't trust
I
you.
know that.
I don't trust you. You're a liar. You have no moral values. You are a Zionist apologist. You are a Zionist genocide apologist, right? So I don't. How can I trust you? I wouldn't trust you with a penny. I wouldn't leave a pound with you. I wouldn't leave a pound with you. Hello, this pound, I wouldn't trust him with this pound.
Everyone has got a value.
Come back here next week. I will pay you.
Okay. The final, Jazakallah khair. Jazakallah khairan.
Come back here next week.
The Quran says this. I don't know. Wait. Last point. No, but last point. The Quran to the contrary, ladies and gentlemen, the Quran to the contrary says this. What does the Quran say about marrying one's daughters? The Quran says, wait. Surah 4. Surah 4. Just listen to this. Listen to this. Surah 4, verse 23. Verse 23. I want you to hear this verse.
We will continue this.
No. I want you to hear this verse. I want you to hear this verse.
I want to see your deflection tactics.
No. I want you to hear this verse. I want you to hear this verse. I want you. Just one verse. The Quran. Why is he running? Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, the sun is behind us. Turn around.
I think he got his tail between his legs.
Why is he running? You know, these people, he's openly, publicly saying, I'm a Zionist, I'm a proud BJP, I'm a proud ex-Muslim, I'm a proud kafir. He's wearing a hat and claiming that Islam somehow, or the Quran specifically, he said, allows or stipulates marrying one's daughter. To the contrary, the Quran says in Surah An-Nisa, chapter 4, verse 23, prohibited to you are your mothers, your daughters, your sisters, your father's sisters, your mother's sisters, your brother's daughters, your sister's daughters, your milk mothers, your foster mothers who nursed you, your sisters through nursing, your foster sisters, your wives, mothers, and your stepdaughters under your guardianship of your wives unto whom you have gone in. But if you have not gone unto them, there is no sin upon you. And also the wives of your sons who are from your own loins, and that you take two sisters simultaneously, except for what has already occurred. Indeed, Allah is ever forgiving and merciful. In the presence of this ayah of the Quran. Okay, thank you so much for reminding me of this. Okay, these liars, they have an audacity to come and claim. And you know what they do? They lie deliberately. They are on an agenda. He said he's been to Israel twice. What is he doing in Israel? What is he doing in Israel? He went to, you see, because Zionists pay people like this to spread hatred against Muslims, specifically in India. So he's lying about Muslims so that Hindus start hating the Muslims more. So they start attacking the Muslims more. So they start targeting the Muslims of India more. So this is why these people are worse than Zionists. Although he's a Zionist, but because he is working for the Zionists to spread hatred in India against Muslims, Lying. Today Allah exposed him. So I request from the Indian Muslims, spread this as much as you can. Cut it up and spread it as much as you can, because this guy, he ran away from a discussion today. Thank you so much, Hussein. Sorry? Today was his janaza, metaphorically, intellectual janaza.
So I've invited him on Dawah Wise this Thursday. Let's see if he comes.
He's not going to come. I don't think he's going to come, but if he comes, it's going to be the second janaza. Inshallah. Inshallah.
You know, when you look online statistics, the largest Islamophobe, it is these people.
Listen.